So you're thinking about making a move to northern Colorado? Well, you're in luck today. We hopped over to Windsor and we are with Bridgewater Homes in their Prairie Song community. Come along with me as we go and take a look through their models and show you their floor plans and the community. I'm Sonja Belfiore with Belfiore & Co. at eXp Realty. Come along with me as we go throughout northern Colorado and show you all things real estate for the life you are building. Before we get started today, make sure that you like and subscribe so that you never miss a tour here in northern Colorado. I get calls from people like you every single day who are looking to build or buy in the next 30, 60, 90, or even a year out. And listen, I love getting those calls and I love walking you through our communities and showing you around. So don't forget to like and subscribe today. You can probably hear a lot of construction going on out here today, but here is Bridgewater Homes' beautiful model home in the beautiful Prairie Song community. Come along with me as we come inside and show you around. that is all we have today here at Bridgewater Homes over in the Prairie Song subdivision in Windsor, Colorado. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or write me an email. All of that information is down below in the description. I would love to work with you on new construction or anything real estate in Northern Colorado. I can't wait to talk to you.